Imagine if in just a few minutes you had a powerful tool to run meetings, webinars, and evergreen webinars whenever you want, with no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. Now, what if you could also run automated webinars, just in time, on-demand webinars, and every other kind of webinar you want for your clients with a commercial license? Welcome to the MeetVio Evolution, the grand launch of new and improved MeetVio with lots of new features and for a one-time price for the very last time. The first ever all-in-one webinar solution where you get all the features you need to run meetings, webinars, evergreen webinars, and more in one simple dashboard without any monthly or ongoing fees. No need to pay for expensive tools like GotoWebinar, EverWebinar, Webinar Jam, or even Zoom. So make sure you watch the rest of this video, and as soon as you can, get access to MeetVio by clicking on the button below and picking the option that suits you the best. Hey, this is Neil Napier, and on this page I want to present a limited time opportunity to you. An opportunity to bank 6 and 7 figures per year like many online marketers do using the power of webinars. Last year, we opened the doors to our full service email autoresponder called MeetVio. Now, while we had an excellent sales page and a good pitch, what brought in most of the sales was, you guessed it, webinars. We generated $220,000, and I have to tell you, it was an exhausting week. I did 16 webinars in 6 days. That's because webinars work. Then I copied the same principle last month and this time ran an autoWebinar. With less than 20 people on the call, we generated close to $2,500. This was completely passive. I was out with my kid in the park while these sales came in. And it is not just me. Other internet marketers are consistently generating 6 and 7 figures per year with the power of webinars and also webinars. Now, what if I was to level the playing field for you? What if I give you the same capability they have, for which they pay as much as $200 per month? But in this case, you won't have to pay anywhere near that amount. Today, you can unlock unlimited webinar marketing potential at a small one-time fee. Let me quickly walk you through all the features you will unlock today. The ability to set up and run live, evergreen, hybrid, and auto webinars. Ultra low audio and video latency, as low as under 1 second depending on the number of attendees. Fully optimized support for mobile viewing. Customizable pre and post email event reminders for higher attendance and replay sales. Calendar view to get a quick overview of your meetings and webinars. Entirely browser-based software that supports all major browsers. Integration with other tools such as MeetVio, ActiveCampaign, and more. Detailed event statistics including who dropped out and when. Full Zapier integration to maximize your business growth. You can also engage your audience with private and public chat. Built-in registration pages are included for quick lead generation. Since our 2020 public launch, we have added a lot more new features, which include the freedom to export and import participants via a CSV, deeper customization of registration pages, automatic time zone detection for participants for higher participation, auto webinar security, stopping people from downloading your videos, and simulated chat for auto webinars. There's more. MeetVio has been built from ground up with an exclusive focus on marketers' needs, such as you and me. As long as you have something to sell and a message to share with others, MeetVio will fulfill your needs, and that too at a low one-time price, only available during this exclusive launch period. After this, we are going back to our annual pricing of $297 per year. But here's the cool part. We don't just stop by giving you access to MeetVio. If you get in today, you can also unlock some exclusive bonuses we've set aside for you. These include a commercial license to MeetVio, so you can use this to run webinars and evergreen and also webinars for your clients as well. A bonus workshop where I will share our proprietary framework that will help you generate 6 figures with webinars. My proven pre-registration email sequence that you can lock and load in MeetVio, and my proven replay and follow-up sequence as well. All these are yours as soon as you get access to MeetVio. But you have to act before the timer on this page hits 0, because when that happens, the price will go up. When the launch ends, we will straight up turn this into an annual offer, which means you end up paying more. So click on the button below and get your copy of MeetVio. My team and I look forward to welcoming you to our growing digital family.